Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with hashtag 2crafters1design, hosted by myself, Mo Creations, Girliest Cards, which is Gloria, and You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa. We also enter our projects into Saturday Morning Makes, or hashtag SatMoreMakes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood, and I'll have all of the links down below. So this week we were to concentrate on snowmen, and for us we were using Winston. And so this is the card that I created for Winston. And then also, before I forget, next week's theme will be buttons. Whatever image you have for a button, just make sure it's in your project and link it to hashtag 2crafters1design. All right, let me show you the things that I used to create Winston. Starting out, I got these little gems from Hobby Lobby. Love this. I just need to go back and grab some more of those just for that color. That's the most used color in the pack. And I just need another whole pack just for that color. And then, of course, Winston. And I picked him up on clearance from Hobby Lobby. And love him. He's just so cute. And then I got the wood grain birch tree from We Are Memory Keepers. I think I picked it up from Tuesday morning a while back, of course, because they're all closed now. I'm using this snowflake die here, and I got these from Shishi. She sent those to me. Thank you so much, Shishi. I doubt if she's watching videos, but thank you. And then I also used the Merry Glimmer Sentiments from Spellbinders. And what I did, I just cut out a few of them, so they're right there so that I can just pop them on a card whenever I need it. And then the inside of the card, I used the Hero Arts Infinity dies. All right, so let me just bring that up a little bit closer. For my snow, that came from Dollar Tree, I believe. Thanks so much, Lisa. And then I did put that snowflake down. I took the B00 and just kind of highlighted the inside parts there. Added some snow at the bottom of Winston, the little broom. And there goes my little gems. I did add some enamel dots, not enamel dots, diamond dots in the center of the little holly leaf there. He's just too cute. Love him. And then the inside is pretty plain, but I thought the birch trees look perfect for the background. So tell me what you think. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you join in on the challenge. And like I said, I'll have everybody's links down below. Check out the picture at the end, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.